Today I will guide you the basic features of CapCut. First, drag the document to the timeline and start editing. Then we can apply effects to the video. Finally, download the video. Here you can remain, choose the file you want to save the video or choose the video quality. This is the main magnet feature. Next is auto snapping feature. This is linkage feature. And this is preview access. Zoom to fit timeline. This feature helps you cut paragraphs and remove the part behind. This is the same, but the front part will be omitted. This one will only split your video into the segments without removing any part. Or you can change the mouse on your screen to those features.